Here's a look ahead to key events in Europe for Thursday. The heads of government from the 27-nation bloc gather in Brussels for the European Council meeting. Now, they're expected to discuss a roadmap for deeper economic and monetary union. But ahead of the summit, German Chancellor Angela Merkel has already played down expectations of a deal to boost Eurozone fiscal policies. In fixed income, Spain will sell 1 to 2 billion euros of 3 bonds on Thursday. The bonds are due in 2015, 2017 and 2040. This will be Madrid's last bond auction of the year. Apart from that, Italy will hold its first bond auction after Mario Monti said he'd resign earlier than expected. Italy's borrowing costs have risen since Monti's announcement. Earlier, we asked Barclays' Will Hobbs if the bond market should be worried that his successor may not be able to honour the country's debt reduction targets.
I think really the bond market is looking at Italy, but they're seeing on Italy's left shoulder, the hulking presence of the ECB balance sheet, and that's probably enough deterrent for the moment.
On the data front, we kick off in Spain with inflation numbers at 8 GMT. Italy follows with its reading on inflation an hour later. Analysts will be keeping an eye out for the EU harmonised figure. Then at 10 GMT, we'll get third-quarter jobless numbers from Greece, likely to rise in Q3 as the economy continues to shrink. The current jobless rate there, 23.6%. Events for the diary tomorrow. We'll be speaking to Bank of England MPC member Paul Fisher about growth ahead of the bank's minutes due out next week. UK Chancellor George Osborne appears before the Treasury Select Committee to discuss the autumn statement. And later in the day, the ECB Executive Board member Peter Preit speaks on reforming the EU's fiscal governments in Frankfurt. That is our look ahead to Thursday. I'm Axel Threlfall. This is Reuters.